Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ceiling fan light kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Aspen Creative 2011-1 Ceiling Fan Light Kit. The Aspen Creative Light Kit offers a stylish brushed nickel finish and clear glass shades, making it an attractive addition to your ceiling fan. With a size of 13.8 in diameter and 6.3.4 in height, it fits seamlessly in various spaces. The included pull chain switch provides convenient control for turning the light on and off. This kit is designed to work with a wide range of ceiling fans, allowing you to easily upgrade your existing fixture. Crafted from high-quality materials, this light kit ensures durability and long-lasting use in your home. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kichler LED Fan Light Kit 38093 MUL. The Kichler LED fan light offers a sleek, transitional style that enhances your ceiling fan's aesthetics. With a height of 4.25 inches and a width of 11.50 inches, it fits seamlessly into various spaces. The light kit is available in multiple finishes, allowing you to choose a look that complements your decor. Additionally, it has a CSA UL safety rating, ensuring it is safe to use in wet locations, providing you peace of mind when installing it in areas like bathrooms or covered patios. At number 3, we have the Westinghouse Lighting 7785,000 3-Light LED Cluster Ceiling Fan Light Kit. The Westinghouse Lighting 7785,000 is an energy-efficient light kit that adds a traditional accent to any ceiling fan. It comes with 3 energy-saving LED Omni A15 bulbs that use only 5 watts each, yet are equivalent to 3 40-watt incandescent bulbs, and features a rich oil-rubbed bronze finish with frosted, ribbed glass shades. This light kit fits most light kit adaptable 42-inch to 52-inch indoor ceiling fans with a center hole in the housing cap, and its fitter has a 3.12-inch diameter. The kit includes 3 non-dimmable LED light bulbs, installation instructions, and mounting hardware. At number 2, we have the Progress Lighting AirPro Ceiling Light Kit. The Progress Lighting Ceiling Light offers a sleek, white finish complemented by elegant alabaster glass shades. This LED lamp type not only provides bright illumination, but is also energy efficient, helping you save on electricity costs. Made from durable steel and glass, it ensures longevity and resilience in your space. The alabaster-style glass shades diffuse light beautifully, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. This ceiling light kit is an excellent choice for enhancing the aesthetic of any room while providing practical lighting solutions. And finally, at number 1, we have the Westinghouse Lighting Schoolhouse Ceiling Fan Light Kit. The Westinghouse Lighting Schoolhouse Ceiling Fan Light Kit is an energy-efficient and versatile addition to your ceiling fan. It features a white opal glass shade that adds a traditional accent to your decor. The included energy-saving LED bulb is equivalent to a 60-watt incandescent bulb, but only uses 9 watts, making it an eco-friendly option. This light kit is designed for both indoor and outdoor use and is approved for damp locations. It fits most light kit adaptable ceiling fans with a center hole in the housing cap and comes with installation instructions and mounting hardware. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.